I'm gonna share with you 5 viral rice bowl recipes. I have been obsessed with using my rice cooker lately. It's so quick and easy, but there's so many of these viral rice bowl recipes and they are all really good. I'm gonna share 5 of them with you today. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love sharing quick and easy recipes for you to give you some inspiration and motivation to do some cooking for you and your family. So my rice cooker is super easy to use, but you can cook the rice whichever way you want, and all of these are gonna start with a bowl of rice. I will link this rice cooker in the description box if you wanna try it out. It's from Amazon, but it's my favorite. I've had a few different rice cookers in the past, and this one is wonderful. So let me get into these 5 viral rice bowl recipes. I know you're gonna love them. So this one is so easy. I have my rice, I have rotisserie chicken, I have mini cucumbers. This one is so perfect for summertime. It's nice and refreshing and so easy. I have some peanut sauce, and you can use whatever your favorite brand is. I'm just gonna drizzle on top, tons of flavor in this one. I'm gonna sprinkle with some sesame seeds for a garnish. This is so easy and so delicious. I'm going to make some chicken in my crock pot. I'm gonna add in some frozen peppers. I have pepper and onion blend. It's already cut up. So this is gonna be a fajita chicken rice bowl. And I love using the crock pot. So this one is just definitely one of my favorites. I'm adding in some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, and I have some fajita seasoning as well that I'm gonna sprinkle on top. So this is a dump and go to make this fajita chicken. It's super easy. It turns out absolutely delicious. Trust me on this one, it is so good. So once this is kind of mixed a little bit, I will put the lid on, cook this on low for about 7 hours, or you can cook it on high for about 3 hours. So here it is after it has been cooking. I am going to shred up my chicken. I use a chicken shredder to shred my chicken, but you can shred it whichever way you would like. You can use just some forks and tongs if you want. You can use a mixer. Some people use like a hand mixer to shred up their chicken. Whichever way is convenient for you. Shred up that chicken, put it back into these peppers and onions and yummy fajita sauce. I am going to put the second one back in and mix this all together, coat it back up with all that yummy juice. So I have my rice, it's cooked in my rice cooker, so now it's ready to go. I'm gonna add the fajita chicken, and I'm also gonna add to this one some black beans. We love black beans. So I have some already ready to go. I'm gonna top with some shredded cheddar cheese as well. You can top with some avocado, some salsa if you want to. So good. So I have my rice for this one. I have some grilled chicken. I have some grape tomatoes. This is going to be a Caprese rice bowl. So nice for the summertime, very refreshing. I have mozzarella pearls. I love these little mozzarella pearls. It's just regular fresh mozzarella cheese, already ready to go in little balls. I'm going to top with some basil, and I'm just gonna kind of cut this basil into some small pieces. You can use dried basil if you want. Fresh basil is so great in the summertime. I'm gonna top with some balsamic glaze, give it a nice drizzle. It looks so pretty, and this one is seriously, it's so delicious and could not be easier. I have some salmon. I'm going to make this salmon in my air fryer. So I have it in some pieces. I'm gonna portion it out before I cook it so that it's easier to just portion. I am going to add on just a few seasonings here. I just have some garlic powder, and then I'm going to put this into my air fryer. You can bake this in the oven if you want. If you don't have an air fryer, I love using my air fryer, especially in the summertime, because you don't have to heat up that oven and heat up your kitchen. So this does not take long to cook. I have it on my air fryer for about 16 minutes. Look how good this turns out. It's perfect. So now I have my rice, and I'm using zucchini for this one. We either do zucchini or broccoli for these salmon rice bowls. I have this Kinder's Japanese steak sauce teriyaki drizzle I'm going to put on top. Top with some sesame seeds for a little garnishment. This one's super easy, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my all-time favorites. So I am going to be making some chicken fried rice. So this rice bowl is going to be with some chicken that I'm going to make in the crock pot. And so this is my version of chicken fried rice. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. I'm going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic,
just dump all this in. Now I'm gonna add on top some mixed vegetables, just frozen mixed vegetables. Really could not be easier. Put the lid on, cook this for about 7 hours on low or about 3 hours on high. Now I'm gonna shred this chicken with my chicken shredder, and then I'll put it back into this yummy sauce and juices. And so I also have cooking in my rice cooker the rice for this rice bowl. So once I have all this chicken shredded up and back into the crock pot, then I will add in the rice and mix everything together. So this rice bowl is super easy, just all basically in one pot, one crock pot. So I absolutely love that. It's delicious. It makes a really big batch, so you can meal prep this. I love meal prepping and having my food ready to go for the week for my lunches, even dinners sometimes. It's great to have options ready to go in the refrigerator where you can just grab something and heat it up. So this one is really perfect for that because it makes a big serving. So I really love it. All of these rice bowls are so super easy and really delicious, nice and high protein as well. So I have been loving making these rice bowls for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my easy recipes with you. Put a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a great one. Bye-bye.